Hi, this is Alexia Dominguez with Smith Dominguez PLLC Law Firm. And today I want to walk through some of the steps necessary to take when filing a trademark application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. First, you'll want to conduct a clearance search. What this means is making sure that your mark is eligible and available for registration with the USPTO. You'll want to do an extensive and thorough search to see if others have already registered a mark that is the same or similar to yours, as this could cause issues going forward. You'll also want to make sure that your mark meets all of the requirements necessary for registration. After you have determined that your mark should be available and meets all the requirements for registration, you should decide on your basis for your application. You can file under the basis of use in interstate commerce or intent to use in interstate commerce. Next, you'll want to gather all the information necessary for your application. This will include things such as applicant information, a drawing of the mark, a description of the mark, the date of first use of the mark, what goods and services will be used in relation to the mark, as well as which international class, among other things. Then you'll want to file your application online with the Trademark Electronic Application System. Currently, it's taking about 5 months between the time you submit your application and when an examining attorney at the USPTO examines your application and materials. It's important to monitor the status of your application because the examining attorney might issue an office action. Currently, only about 3 out of 10 applications go through the entire process without receiving an office action by the examining attorney. It's important to answer any office actions sent to you by the examining attorney, as if you do not respond, then your application will be abandoned. There are different types of office actions that can be issued. You generally have about 6 months to respond, but it depends on the office action issued. If no office action is issued to you, or if you have been issued one and answered and resolved the issue, then the next step would be for the USPTO to publish your mark in the official gazette. The mark will be published for 30 days, during which time any party has the ability to file an opposition if they believe that registration of your trademark would cause them damage. If no opposition is filed, then the USPTO will register your mark and issue a certificate of registration. After this, it's important to maintain your trademark. There are required filings to maintain your registration every 6th and 10th years. It is important that you file these Section 8 declarations and Section 9 renewals in order to maintain your trademark. You can maintain your trademark alive in perpetuity as long as you keep renewing and you keep filing these required documents. If you have any questions about preparing to file for a trademark or trademark strategy, feel free to reach out to us at www.smithdominguez.com and we would be happy to help.